Today we're going to be blacking out our badges. So the car's super dirty right now, but I'll be cleaning it soon. I'm just going to black out the badges with some plastidip. I like plastidip because it's reversible. You can just peel it off. I'm even going to do the exhaust tips too with plastidip. From what I heard, it's pretty durable and it'll hold, but we'll find out. I'll update you guys if it's still okay or not. But I do want to black out the tips because they get dirty so fast, no matter how much you clean them. So first thing I did was clean off everything, the badges with some 70% alcohol, and then I'm gonna get started on cleaning this as well. First coat done. I'm gonna give it about 5 to 10 minutes for that first coat to dry, and then we're moving on.